Hi, it's Mrs. Murray. This is your video for week 10, and week 10 is Introduction to Spreadsheets. And just a quick overview. Remember, Monday you're supposed to be working. I made this actually a super light week. This is only about half of what I was going to have you do because some of you guys are still finishing up your travel websites. So I made this a super light week. You could seriously do all this in about an hour or less. Anyway, this is probably the hardest part. There are two readings here on spreadsheets and computational thinking. You need to read them, and seriously, guys, I would open a notebook and take notes because some of you guys do not do the readings or they don't sink in. So you need to start taking notes on these. That's why some of you are so lost sometimes. Um, so it's going to be on spreadsheets. So the first thing is to make a new spreadsheet, and the easiest way is to go into Google Drive and open a Google Sheet. And now the problem is your spreadsheet is on a different tab from the directions. So you can actually pull it over and do that. So you can read the directions over here while you are doing this. And the first thing you're doing is really simple. That's step 2. We're already on step 2, guys. Like slide 7. So you just slide 8. You draw a pic, take a screenshot, put a picture here. Slide 8 already. Slide 9, you are just going to type your name in the first block. Name, okay? Everybody's there. And you are going to, so that was, we're already on slide 9. Slide 10, what you're going to do is you're going to put your birth year. Now everybody knows how old I am in block number 2. These blocks are called cells. You're going to put the present year in block number 3. And then in block number 4, you're going to put a formula. And this block is called A3, this cell. This one is called A2. So to find out how many years it is since I've been born, or my age, which I really don't want you guys to know, but you're going to do A3 minus A2. So you actually put a formula in there, and you got 36 because it's really 2020, not 2000. Okay, so 56. That's how old I am. So you guys should all be able to do that. You need to take a screenshot. You need to write it. That takes you through slide 13. Okay, that's all there is to it. Then you are going to open up another spreadsheet. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to pull it over there. And basically, what you're going to do is type all this data into it. And let me see if I can make this big enough so we can actually see it. There we go. So it's about Pokemon, and you're just going to copy all the data into it, take some screenshots. Something really important is you can change the size of these if you have more or less text, so you can read everything. To give your spreadsheet a name, you are going to have to name it because you're going to use this spreadsheet for the next couple lessons. So you type the name in here. The other thing is you can make more pages on your spreadsheet. Your workbook, the page tabs are down here. Okay, so anyway, good luck with this week. It should be really quick and easy because I just did most all of it in like 5 minutes.